Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we are doing our first episode of Cooking with Kids. This is the kid.
Yay!
It is this young man's birthday and we are going to be making, what?
Brownies!
He wants to make homemade brownies with
Ice cream.
ice cream. So, to make a sufficient brownie that's going to hold up to our ice cream, this is how we do it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. The brownies we are making today are going to fit a whole sheet pan. So if you freak out with how many of whatever ingredients I'm using, it's because we are doing party size. If you do not want party size, that is a-okay. You can just divide them in half or in quarter or whatever to fit your needs. So because we are doing said large pan, we need how much? 2 cups of shortening.
Yeah.
All right, you're up. He said it looked like frosting, so I might dare him to take some later.
Frosting? No. I don't want to be shorter.
All right, you're almost there. There you go. All right, to this, we're going to add 4 cups
That's a lot.
of sugar. As if we weren't hyper enough, right? All right,
Yeah.
Here we go, dump it in. Whoa!
There's a big puff cloud.
It sure is. Okay. All right, do you know what we're gonna do? What creaming is?
No, not really.
Like you never heard about someone getting creamed?
No.
Yes, you have. Here. We're gonna mix it all together, okay? Ready, Freddy? Here you go. That way, that way, that way. Hold on. Hold on to both. There you go. Nice. Okay, let's see where we're at. Let's see where we're at. real
It's
quick.
like 2 giant Beyblades on the robotics.
Oh, you got a pocket of sugar in there, so we gotta make sure to get all the way to the bottom. Okay. So, to this, we are going to add 6 eggs from our chickens in the backyard. All right, go ahead and mix those in. Don't forget to get all the way to the bottom too. Okay. All right, you're doing awesome. Just make sure that you scrape down the sides of the bowl because it won't get, oops, sorry. It won't mix in evenly. That makes sense.
Okay.
Okay, just a tiny little bit and then you're good there. Okay. That's awesome. Okay, next, we're going to add in. We've got 4 teaspoons of vanilla there. We have 2 teaspoons of salt. Here, let's just mix this real quick. Just to kind of get it in there. Okay, just so it's not sitting on the top. And then we've got here 1 1/3 cups of cocoa. This is the dark cocoa because we like them. Ooh, careful. Yeah, there you go. Very chocolatey.
What's the difference between light cocoa and dark cocoa?
Well, dark chocolate and milk chocolate, you know the difference between that? One has more milk or more sugars and things like that.
Yeah.
One is more cocoa. So even though if you look at your powdered cocoa in the store, they'll both say 100% cacao. That's fine, but when you see the special dark, that means it's gonna be a lot more bitter when you put it in your products, other than the other one's it's gonna taste more milky, like milk chocolate. But we wanna go really chocolatey on this one because we have ice cream to pair with it. Does that answer your question?
Yeah.
Okay.
Awesome.
Now we're gonna give this just a quick mix. I wouldn't turn the beaters on. I would just kind of swirl it around a little bit just so that when you turn it on, it's not gonna, you know, confetti. Okay. There you go. There you go. All right. Stop. Then we're going to add in our flour. We've got 3 cups of flour. There you go. There you go. That's nice. Perfect. All right, let's start. In fact, let's do this. Okay. Let's start with that guy. All right, you think we're good for beaters? Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah. All right. Go ahead. There you go. Get it all the way up. Does that look good? Okay. All right, so do you know how to get this to where, so instead of sticking it, because we don't want to stick our hands in there in case it turns on. We know this likes to turn on its own. So I would recommend you pull it about like this and keep it running, or bang it against the side while it's running. That way it all kind of falls back in here. Does that make sense?
Okay.
Okay. Like that. Does that work?
Nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now just because I saw some stuff fall off the side, I'm just gonna give it a quick little spin here. Okay. Now you can see how really thick this is. It's meant to be this thick. This is not gonna be your light and fluffy little dainty sort of brownie. This is like very thick. It's not cakey either. It's just a very dense brownie, which we are going for. Okay, let's grab our pan. Okay, I'm gonna spray this down here. Hold still. All right. Looks good. All right. Ready to pop them on?
Yep.
All right. You want to have the honors?
Sure.
Okay. That's gonna take you forever. Let me show you. Be a little faster.
All right.
Yeah. If you hold it like this, right, and you just kind of let gravity do the work for you, then all you have to do is scrape the bowl.
Oh.
Wanna try that?
Yeah.
All right. There you go. There, you got it. Are you stuck?
Yeah.
All right. All right, let's see. I think you're getting stronger. It just feels so light. All right, let's see. All right, no, you did pretty good. Let's just get the last little bits. If you wanted to add chocolate chips or nuts or whatever to it, obviously do that right before you take it out, but we're gonna skip the nuts today. If you want to add little caramel bits or whatever, would be good too. All right, we're gonna spread this all out. You can see how thick that is. All right, do you want to do some of that?
Sure.
Okay. All right, there you go. The back of the spoon works pretty good for that.
Okay.
And while you're doing that, I'll have one of these. It's so good. Okay, just be careful not to dig too much because we sprayed it down and you're wiping that off when you go too deep. So we're gonna try and spread it around mostly by the top. Does that make sense? Like you're not gonna ruin it or anything, we're just trying to even it all out. And it's okay if we do little bits too. You don't have to go all the way across like you're painting. Yeah, just take the thick parts and move them out. There you go. There you go. Yeah, yeah. This kid's got it. Very nice. All right, we good? Mm-hmm. All right. How old are you now that it's your birthday?
14.
14. How's 14 feel? Like
So
13?
far, yeah, pretty much.
Yeah? All right, I think we got it pretty even. All right, it's going into a 350-degree oven for how long? He doesn't know this, actually. It's a trick question. We're gonna check it after about 30 minutes.
Okay.
Maybe about 25 because ours runs a little hot. So, you ready?
Yep.
You want the honors? There we are. Okay. All right, we're checking it back here in 25 minutes, and you can stack on that in the meantime.
Okay.
Cool. Be back with you in a jiffy. Okay, our time is up. 350-degree oven. We had it in there for about 25 minutes. Needed a couple more. I think we ended up with 23. Ah, here it is, the pan of goodness. Ugh. There we are. We're gonna let that cool for a while. And then we're gonna slice it open and eat it with some ice cream.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see you in a minute. Okay, our brownies have cooled enough that we can handle it because they're still pretty warm, but we're dying here. So we're gonna dig in and you get the first one, yes? All right, let's make it a big one for you. Okay. Okay. There's that. Now if you can see, this is definitely your denser sort of brownie. It's still gonna be nice and fudgy in a way, but it's gonna hold up our ice cream like we want it. So,
While you're doing this, I have a question.
sure.
So, what in this actually helps it rise so that it's more puffy and...
Well, the eggs that we added in do that. A lot of your baking recipes will have like baking powder, baking soda, that kind of thing. So that's for your lift, but this one didn't have any in it. So what gives it the lift in this is our eggs and the flour.
Okay.
Does that answer your question?
Yep.
Alrighty. It's kind of like when you're making your omelet, right?
Yeah.
All right. Let's give you a good old... You want more than that?
No. That's good.
That's good?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we have some homemade whipped cream. Okay. Is that all?
Yeah.
No. No, that is not all. Looks like some kid has gotten into this one. There we go. Is that all?
Yes.
No.
And what is that?
These are cookie brownie crumbs. Is that all?
Yeah.
No.
No, how? What? How?
How's that?
Amazing.
Just wait till you taste it. All All right, birthday boy. Tell us how it is. You need him to get closer.
That is awesome.
Turned out good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Bravo, chef, you did great. Enjoy your birthday. I'm gonna give you one now too, because that just looks good. All right, what's your favorite part on it? Is it just the combo, or is there something mix, or
The brownie.
a brownie? All right,
The brownie turned out really, really well.
all right, now you know how to make them, so you can make them for us later.
Yeah.
All right, we'll let him eat it, and then I'm gonna go grab one for us. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Okay, see you later.